right, this is the app I use, My Radar, to check for the rain in the area because it hit rain last night. So I'm just checking over the app, and it looks pretty clear. There's no rain whatsoever, so it's all out of here. And that's the app I use to check for rain. Gonna head out on a little ride. This is the Lexan G16. So you can answer your phone, listen to your music, talk to your friends while you ride. It has a flashlight in it. Super awesome product right here from Lexan. You can go up to 16 riders in a group ride. All right, YouTube. Last ride of 2020. I remember back in time, I was going somewhere. Yeah, I was rocking out to some Biggie Smalls or the Notorious B.I.G. I remember back in time. 2020, last ride of 2020. That means tomorrow I got to get the first ride of 2021 in. Oh man, it rained all night, but it's nice today. Just cruising out on the freeway. I got the day off from the college. I think it's New Year's Eve. NorCal's pretty much caught up. I got some things going on, but I don't have to work today, so I kind of just took the day off. I'm probably going to take tomorrow off too, unless there's an emergency, and go ride the bike. I mean, shoot, it's going to be high 50s, low 60s for the high today, which isn't bad. And just cruising. See if everyone pays attention on the highway here. Ooh, let's take this phone call. Yo, what's up? What's happening? The motorcycle ride got cut short. I got a phone call, which is great because the G16 headset on my helmet, I was able to answer the phone and talk to my customer. It's a new customer. I got referred. It's New Year's Eve, and it used to be in the old days, if I ever wanted my phone to ring for work, all I had to do was plan something fun. You know, call the guys up, let's go for a motorcycle ride, let's go for a surf. And the phone would ring, and I'd always get a service call. And it's still happening today, so put the bike away, got the van, we're heading out there. She says it's a 2-door True, and it's not cooling, and she wants it fixed. And someone gave her my number, which is really cool. And let's see if we can get this fixed for her and then get paid, because that's what we do, right? So let's head out there and see how we make out. Let's get out there! Remember rapping, Duke, the hard, you never thought that. My knee pro's going, let's do this. We got evac fan running. Evaporator is dirty, check. A little bit dirty back there. Get the stat. It sounds like condenser fan, no compressor. Let's pull that out of here. click of death. I just heard it. There it went. Click of death. Let's see if we can save this thing or not. Ooh, the click of death. Let's get the start cord. Give her the old start cord to Rooski. See what happens. You guys love it when I use this thing. Look at that. You want to build your own. There is a fuse inside of here. That's basically it. You're just going to be the current relay. Boink. Let's go do it. Yes. Let's plug them in. Got it to start. Let's grab a 3-in-1. See what happens. Alright. Here's hope. Alright, we got our comment, our start, our run. We got our 3-in-1. We'll get some Wagos on there. This cord. Let's get this tidied up. You guys like Biggie Smalls or Tupac better? When you listen to
Honestly,
they're both good. They're both good.
I've never really listened to Biggie.
Oh, really? You know what I like about Biggie's songs, dude? Is good backup singers, dude.
Yeah?
Like the female backup vocals, really good. They're both good.
I've never really listened to Biggie. I was always into Tupac growing up.
Oh, you got to listen to some Biggies, dude. It's good music.
I have to.
I like them both. I like them both. I can't say one's better than the other. It's different. It's different. You know, that's like saying, who do you like better, the Rolling Stones or the Who, you know? The Who had better guitars and heavier drums, although they weren't as good as Led Zeppelin. Led Zeppelin was the shit. Yeah, I like Zeppelin too. We get some tie wraps. Alright, put our screws back in. You always got to check the pipes so that it'll fit back in there. Tie wrap on that thing to hold it in place. Now I just need to plug it in and see if it'll work. The moment of truth. Alright, let's see what happens. Sounds good. The old 3-in-1 to the rescue. The condenser's compacted, but All right, that one was just a 3-in-1 starter for the compressor. They're super stoked because they don't have another fridge to put their stuff in, so they're really happy. I'm stoked too. I didn't want to be doing a compressor change out on New Year's Eve. I don't even know if the parts house is even open after lunch today. So that worked out really good. Let me make an invoice and collect some dinero. It's time to pay the goofy guy. Pay the goofy guy. Let's do it. HP. Boop, boop, boop. Look at that. It'd be rad if it had a prompt that came up in the window right there that said, pay the goofy guy. That would be awesome. One for them, one for me. Do-do-do-do. I was asking those guys if they like Tupac or Biggie better. They're from Brazil, so they don't even. One guy knew who they were. The other two other guys, I don't think they listened to them. There is no right answer. They're both good.